Hello friends, hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some planting tips or some home gardening tips. For those who are looking for home gardening or who are thinking of having some small saplings, plants or succulents at their place, this video is for you. And if at all you are having a small garden at your place, probably my tips today are going to help you. If you have seen my video about the indoor plants or home gardening, you must have seen I have almost 40 plus plants at my place. And I'll tell you, it really is a very soothing activity that I do on Sundays. It is something like a regeneration for me. It is something which actually boosts up my energy and gives me positivity. Having greens around makes you feel positive, better, and energetic. So, if at all you are the one who's looking for a makeover of a balcony, or probably if you are thinking of having small saplings at your place or having a home garden, indoor plants, then this video is for you. I can assure you that spending few hours with nature, it actually feels like spa retreat for your mind and soul. However, growing plants even in the balcony or having home garden has its own challenges, especially for the newbies, the people who are trying it for the first time. There is lot of research, there is lot of experiments that you do and you learn. What works for one plant may not work for another, or how much water one plant needs may not be the need of other plant. Sunlight may not be the need of every plant. There are many such things that you actually need to consider and study before having this indoor plants or having your own. Well, of course, I'm going to share my concepts and my ideas that I implemented, but I can assure you that having a balcony garden or having indoor plants is really not a rocket science. So let us have a look of my plants, and of course let me share my tips with you. Guys, first you need to know your space. What space is available for you? Are you looking for indoor plants, like plants you want to keep inside your house, maybe in the drawing room area, in the bedroom, in the kitchen, or you're looking for a balcony makeover? So, what is the space that is available to you? And of course, when you're considering the space, you will have to consider what type of plants you want, taking into consideration their growth, especially how the plant looks when it grows up or how big it grows up is very essential. Second important factor is sunlight. How much sunlight is available for the plants? Which are the plants which require sunlight daily, or which are the plants which may not require sunlight daily? Consider the future requirement space of the plants, because your balcony sometimes, if the plant grows very bigger, may not be the enough area for the plants to grow. Well, of course, kitchen garden is something different and we would talk about it in the next video. If you have a very less space, you can go for making it a vertical garden. You can use the creepers or hanging techniques for plants. That will increase your gardening area. And another most important thing is selection of plants should be based on the geographical region of where you are staying. Having native plants will be easy for you to grow than getting the exotic plants which are not from your typical geographical area. Selection of pots is again important, because if you have limited area, then the pot size should not be very big. The pot size should be relevant to the plant's growth. You need to consider the growth of the plant after a few days so that the pot is able to hold the plant and is able to nurture it. If you want to go for hangers, you can take something like this. This can be fixed in a grill and it really grows very well. You can also have typical hangers like this. They look very beautiful, and especially if you put creepers in them or something like this. Then this is a betel leaf. They really look beautiful if hanged properly. Of course, the pot, the look of the pot also matters. So you can have really good and colorful pots for indoor plants. For kitchen garden, you can of course select the plants which are easy to grow, like coriander or maybe lemongrass with chili, aloe vera. These are very simple and easy to grow. Flowering creepers are really a good choice because they really grow well. An example can be an office time plant. or button rose. Now, when you're placing the plants in your house, see that the plants who require sunlight are placed in the balcony where it would get good sunlight. But the plants which do not need sunlight every day, like the snake plant doesn't need sunlight every day and watering as well every day. So they can be kept somewhere inside the house, maybe in the drawing room or even in the bedroom. One important trick here is you can place the plant with similar needs together. Like all kitchen plants, you can keep it somewhere near the kitchen, maybe in the gallery near the kitchen. Other plants which are show plants, they can be placed somewhere which can easily catch your eyes. And some plants which are probably medicinal properties or which are good for health, it can be even kept in the bedrooms as well. The plants with the requirement of less water can be kept together. The plants with regular water, the kitchen based plants like curry leaves, coriander, they can be kept together. And the plants which require regular watering and sunlight can be kept together. This actually eases your life. When gardening doesn't become a job for you, it becomes a hobby for you. So here is the glimpse of my garden, the plants at my home, some indoor plants, some outdoor plants, some creepers. And the next video is going to be about how to make a compost at home or nutrition, how to provide nutrition to plants, some DIY techniques where you can make the nutrition at home for plants. We will also talk about how to get rid of the insects and bugs on the plants and some tips on monsoon care for the plants. So guys, stay tuned and do not forget to watch the part 2 of this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for all your support. See you guys in the next part 2 of the same planting techniques at home.